Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a serious upgrade for your performance laptop, the Corsair Vengeance 96GB DDR5 SODIMM kit. Specifically, we're looking at the 2x48GB sticks clocked at 5200 MHz with a CL44 latency. If you're pushing your laptop to its limits with demanding games, video editing, or any other memory-intensive tasks, this could be exactly what you need. First off, let's talk about what this RAM is designed to do. DDR5 SODIMM is the latest memory standard for laptops, offering faster speeds, higher capacities, and lower power consumption compared to DDR4. Corsair's Vengeance series is known for its reliability and performance, and this kit aims to bring that to the mobile platform. The 5200 MHz speed is a significant jump over the base DDR5 speeds, promising snappier response times and smoother multitasking. Compatibility is key with laptop RAM, and Corsair has designed this kit to work with a wide range of Intel and AMD gaming and performance laptops, as well as small form factor PCs and Intel Nuke kits. It uses the industry-standard SODIMM form factor, so as long as your laptop supports DDR5 SODIMM, you should be good to go. Of course, always double-check your laptop specifications before purchasing. Installation is generally straightforward. Most laptops require just a screwdriver to access the RAM slots. The Vengeance SODIMM is designed to automatically run at its maximum speed on compatible systems, thanks to Intel XMP support. This means you shouldn't have to fiddle with BIOS settings to get the advertised performance. Just pop it in and you're ready to go. However, Corsair does note that high-frequency SKUs may require a bit more attention during installation, so keep that in mind. Now, let's talk about performance. 96GB of RAM is a massive amount for a laptop. This is really targeted at power users who are running virtual machines, editing 4K video, or working with huge datasets. For everyday tasks like browsing the web or writing documents, you probably won't see a huge difference compared to 16GB or 32GB. But if you're constantly running into memory limitations, this upgrade will be a game changer. The 5200 MHz speed and CL44 latency contribute to faster load times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. Corsair also highlights the rigorous testing that goes into these modules. Each stick is thoroughly screened and tested to ensure superior performance and reliability. This is important as you want to be confident that your RAM will perform consistently under heavy loads. One thing to note is the ICUE compatibility. While this RAM doesn't have RGB lighting, ICUE can be used to monitor its performance and temperature. This can be helpful for keeping an eye on your system's health and ensuring that the RAM is running within its optimal parameters. In conclusion, the Corsair Vengeance 96GB DDR5 SODIMM kit is a high-end upgrade for users who demand the absolute best performance from their laptops. It offers a massive capacity, fast speeds, and excellent compatibility. If you're a power user who needs more memory, this is definitely worth considering. Just make sure your laptop supports DDR5 SODIMM and that you're comfortable with the installation process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.